Hello, welcome back guys to Explorer channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to download Yandex on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here, of course you just have to activate the internet. Here I'm gonna activate by Wi-Fi. Here I'm gonna turn off my mobile data, and after, if you want to download it, the Yandex browser, you just have to go to your app store on your phone, and after, here at the bottom you will find out the search button. Tap on it, and this is the search bar. You just have to type the Yandex, and as you can see at the first option, which is Yandex, you just have to tap on it right now. And yeah, this is the Yandex, and if you have downloaded before, it will be look like this, the cloud icon. But if you never downloaded before on your phone, it will be look like this, yeah guys, which is the get button. Here I'm gonna tap on this cloud or re-download here, and now you just have to wait for a minute until it's done for the downloading. Maybe here I'm gonna speed it up for the video, yeah guys. And yeah, when the cloud icon before, it's already changed to this open, which is the Yandex is already downloaded on my phone, yeah guys. Here I'm gonna close the app store, and this is the Yandex application that I'm in. This is for browsing, yeah guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.